Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about the important points related to biochemistry which you can add to your quick revision notebook or can revise after reading your notes. So let's start with the important points of carbohydrates. Remember, glucose and mannose are C2 epimers and galactose and glucose are C4 epimers. Sometimes they ask this question. Then in polysaccharides, remember starch and glycogen are branched, whereas cellulose and chitin are linear polysaccharides. Now next we'll talk about the site of metabolism. They ask the question like which of the following happens in mitochondria, which in cytoplasm, or which in both. So for mitochondria, remember the mnemonic COTAF. COTAF is like ketogenesis, oxidative phosphorylation, TCA or Krebs cycle, acetyl CoA production, and fatty acid oxidation beta. So these all occur in the mitochondria, and both cytoplasm and mitochondria remember the mnemonic HUG, HUG, H for heme synthesis, U for urea cycle, and G for gluconeogenesis, and rest occur in the cytoplasm. Now let's talk about mucopolysaccharides. In mucopolysaccharides, remember basically it is glucuronic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. But there are few exceptions. So first exception is that iduronate acid is present in heparin and dermatan sulfate, which you can remember by HID. Like iduronate is in heparin and dermatan sulfate. Next is galactosamine is present in chondroitin and dermatan sulfate. You can remember it by the mnemonic CGD. Then all are sulfated except hyaluronic acid, and all have uronic acid except keratin sulfate, which have galactose. So now about the mucopolysaccharidosis diseases. Most common one is Sanfilippo A. And remember, all are autosomal recessive except Hunter's, which is X-linked recessive. Hurlers have opaque cornea. Sometimes they ask in the question. So usually everyone remembers it with the mnemonic. Like for hunting, you need a clear cornea. So in hunting, clear cornea is there, and in hurlers, opaque cornea is present. And Morqueus don't show leukocyte inclusions. It is a question. Now remember the rate limiting enzymes in carbohydrates. Glycolysis, we have phosphofructokinase 1. Then gluconeogenesis, we have fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. Then for Krebs cycle, we have isocitrate dehydrogenase, and HMP shuntus G6PD is the rate limiting enzyme. Glycogenolysis, we have glycogen phosphorylase, and glycogenesis, we have glycogen synthase. So these points you can add for the quick revision. Next, I have made this flowchart regarding carbohydrates important points. So first of all, let's begin with the ATP production. Now they can ask the question like how many ATPs are produced in aerobic glycolysis. Remember, it is 7 per glucose. For anaerobic, it is 2 per glucose. Link reaction, 5 ATPs are produced. And in Krebs cycle, remember, 1 acetyl CoA produces 10 ATPs, and 2 acetyl CoA participate in Krebs cycle, so it will be total 20 ATPs. So now how many ATPs are produced in complete oxidation of 1 glucose metabolism? In सबको add कर दो. So it will be 32, like 7 plus 5 plus 20, which is 32 ATPs are produced. Next, in RL shunt, 0 ATPs are produced. Now remember, Krebs cycle is an amphibolic pathway. Now in this year, NEET 2021, they are asked about the PDH complex enzymes. A diagram was given and they asked to label the enzymes. Now remember there are 3 enzymes and 5 coenzymes. So you can remember the name of the enzymes if you want. Coenzymes, we have these 5 coenzymes. Remember by the mnemonic TFN. TFN, like B1 is TPP, thymine pyrophosphate, B2 is FAD, and B3 is NAD, so TFN. And B5 is coenzyme A and lipoic acid. So these are the 5 coenzymes involved in link reaction. Now let's talk about the Cori cycle is glucose lactate cycle. Cahill cycle is glucose alanine cycle, which occurs in liver and muscle. And remember, this is a previous year question, like vitamin B6 is required in glycogen synthesis. Then we have the Benedict test is for reducing sugars, and Selivanov test is for aldose versus ketosis. Then this is one important point, like sudden infant death occurs due to. So it occurs due to the deficiency of mutase or isomerase, which leads to accumulation of L-methyl malonyl CoA. Next, remember vitamin C is not synthesized in humans because of the deficiency of enzyme L-gulonolactone oxidase. Next point is it is sometimes asked like what is the enzyme deficient in eye cell disease. If you want to remember, you can remember it is N-acetyl glucose phosphotransferase. It is a protein targeting defect towards lysosomes. And few other important points are like enzymes of glycolysis are active in dephosphorylated state. So in well-fed state they are active and insulin activate them. Remember this, insulin activates the anabolic pathway plus 2 catabolic pathway, which are glycolysis and link reaction. And glucagon activate all the catabolic pathway except the above 2. Next is liver glycogen stores are depleted after 12 to 18 hours of fasting. This was asked in this year's NEET 2021. And glycogen is synthesized on the primer glycogenin, for which tyrosine is required. Next point is essential pentosuria is due to the deficiency of xylitol dehydrogenase or reductase. Essential fructosuria is fructokinase deficiency, and hereditary fructose intolerance is aldolase B deficiency. They'll give you a question regarding like fruit juice and then the symptoms appeared. So it will be. Thanks for watching. All the best. Kindly like, share and subscribe. You can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box.